You've heard the hype about digital note-taking, OneNote, Notion, but which one actually deserves your time? If you're tired of jumping between apps and want the right tool for your workflow, this video is for you. Welcome to How to Literally, where we keep things smart, simple, and scam-free. Let's start with OneNote, Microsoft's powerhouse. It's great for handwritten notes, class lectures, and quick thoughts. Its structure mimics a physical notebook with pages and sections, and syncing across devices is reliable with a Microsoft account. It's free and integrates seamlessly with other Office apps, which is perfect for students or corporate users. Now on to Notion, a flexible block-based workspace. It's more than just notes. It's a whole productivity system. Think databases, task boards, wikis, and more. You can design your own workflows from scratch, but it comes with a learning curve. It's ideal for people who want an all-in-one tool and don't mind some setup time. So if you want straightforward school or work-friendly notes, OneNote gets the job done. But if you're after total customization and can invest time in setup, Notion is a game changer. Thank you for watching How to Literally, and see you in the next one.